These AI-generated reels are blowing up everywhere, especially on Instagram. There's one faceless Instagram account that's skyrocketed to over 440,000 followers in just a few months. And yes, they're pulling in thousands of dollars every month with these simple videos. The best part? You can make a video just like this in minutes, without hours of script writing or voiceover recording. Stick around, and I'll show you exactly how it's done, with proof. By the end of this, you'll know how to make $3,000 a month using this exact method. Here's the kicker, though. It's not just the views that bring in cash. There's a secret strategy behind how they're raking in that money, and I'm revealing it step by step. So let's dive in. All right, first, let's check out one of their videos to get a feel for the content we're creating. And don't worry, this is not the same as every other tutorial you've seen. My method is different, and I'm breaking it down step by step. No hours spent creating, no artistic skills needed. And you don't even need to show your face.
Oh, wow!
AI is doing the heavy lifting, and I'm going to show you how. Step 1. Generating AI images. We're using Leonardo AI for this. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. But wait, Ice King, isn't everyone using Midjourney or Adobe Firefly? And yep, I usually roll with Adobe Firefly myself, but this time I'm showing you Leonardo AI as an alternative. It's powerful, and you get 150 free credits daily. Perfect if you're just starting. Now here's where the magic happens. Prompts. Let me show you how to write killer prompts that create stunning anime-style nature images. Here's one that works. Viral anime nature wallpaper in 4K quality, in the style of digital illustration, inspired by Hayao Miyazaki. Enter that prompt, set the aspect ratio to 9:16 for vertical videos, then choose the anime preset. That's it. Check out these results. Step 2. Turning those images into animated videos. This is the fun part. While Leonardo AI offers motion video, it's premium. So for now, let's use Immersity AI, a free tool that's perfect for what we need. Just upload your image, and Immersity AI brings it to life. Adjust the style, play with settings, and boom, you've got an 8-second animated clip. Step 3. Editing the video. This is where we make our clip shine. I usually use Premiere Pro, but don't worry if you're new. CapCut is an amazing free alternative. Here's a pro tip. Duplicate clips to extend the video. Add transitions, music, and a glitter effect to make it pop. Finally, step 4. Monetizing your videos. Here's the juicy part. You've probably seen the bio of that faceless account. They're making money 3 ways. Freelance services, selling high-res AI wallpapers, and offering online courses. And with what you've learned, you could do the same. Imagine selling your own course. 10 sales a month could mean 1,000 to 30 sales, $3,000 a month. Don't just watch. Take action. All the tools are linked below, ready for you to try. This method is working right now. But remember, it's not just about the steps. It's about your unique spin. The world doesn't need another copy. It needs your creativity. So, take your shot, start today, and make it happen. See you in the next one.